Hey everyone. Welcome to Pressure Washing Wellington, your local source for professional pressure washing transformations right here in beautiful Wellington, Florida. We're here to show you the real impact that expert pressure and soft washing can make on your property. From removing years of grime, mold, and algae to restoring that like new curb appeal, we do it all. Whether you're a homeowner looking to maintain your property, a business wanting to make a great first impression, or just someone who loves those super satisfying cleaning videos, you've come to the right place. On this channel, you'll find real pressure washing jobs right here in Wellington and Palm Beach County, time-lapse transformations, expert cleaning tips and advice, behind the scenes of what we do every day. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you've got a project in mind or just love seeing dirt disappear. Thanks for stopping by Pressure Washing Wellington, where we turn dirty into dazzling, one property at a time. Pressure Washing Wellington can help you clean your property and have your curb appeal restored. Call us today. See you in the next video.